Here's a question. Reduce the equation 16x squared plus y squared plus 16z squared minus 8y minus 160z plus 400 equals 0 to one of the standard forms for calculus 3 forms in a 3D plane. And in this case, the person asking the question said it's an ellipsoid. Well, an ellipsoid looks like x minus h squared over a squared plus y minus k squared over b squared plus, I don't know what to call it, z minus, I'll put m, I don't know, m squared over c squared equals 1. So I'm going to collect my x's, collect my y's, collect my z's, and then complete the square. This is 16x squared plus y squared minus 8y plus. Now I'm going to factor out 16 plus 16 times z squared minus 10z. Because 16 times z squared is 16z squared, 16 times negative 10z is negative 160z, and then equals, I'm going to move that 400 to the other side. Now I'll complete the square with each one of these. This just stays what it is, 16x squared. This one, I take whatever's in front of the y, half of it, that's what it's going to be. It's going to end up being y minus 4 squared. This is 16x squared plus, well, I'm going to run out of room on this thing. Okay, and then technically what I'm doing is then I square the negative 4, that gives me plus 16. And since I added to that side, I have to add it to this side, to the right side. Same thing with this one. Z squared minus 10z, half of negative 10 is negative 5. Negative 5 squared is positive 25. And this is plus 16 times z minus 5 squared. And then I have to, well, I'm not going to add 25 to both sides because I have to multiply it by this 16. 25 is inside the parentheses. 16 times 25, do not calculator, it's 400. So I will also add 400 to both sides. And all I'm left with on the right side is 16. And then the only thing left to do is divide by this 16, x squared plus y minus 4 squared over 16 plus z minus 5 squared, 16 just goes away, equals 16 over 16 is 1. And I can rewrite this. I can rewrite this one just so I know what the center of this thing is. I'm going to write it as x minus 0 squared over 1 squared plus y minus 4 squared over 16 plus z minus 5 squared over 1 squared. And 16 I'm going to rewrite as 4 squared. So that's really the standard form for this ellipsoid. And because it's x squared plus y squared plus z squared equals 1, that's an ellipsoid.